Dude, that is a big deer.
And he didn't even go 30 yards.
Oh my God. This is the first buck I've ever shot.
Woo, what a rush.
Money. That deer is dead. Tagged out, baby.
You shot one?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude.
I saw him go down. So, it is Thursday before opener. Came out here to listen again. I know there's birds out here, but I haven't quite figured them out yet. He can't be far now. He's gotta be in those trees across there. That bird fired off maybe 5 times. And then went quiet. I'm gonna pop a squat and just kind of look over this field here, because I could definitely see a turkey like walking the edge of this, heading over to its roosting area. It is windy as hell, but I'm posted up right by where I'm 99% sure that a bird roosted yesterday in these trees back here. As you can see, these are mature pines. There's good horizontal branches to roost on. I mean, there's some really good roosting trees here. And then over on this side, got another stand of mature pines. And again, lots of really mature trees with good branches to roost on. And then across the way, there's an island over there that also has really good roosting trees. That's a gobbler up in a tree. I got him.
Some thunder chicken. Here I'm with Zach. Zach came down from Kentucky last night. He got here, no, actually, yeah, yesterday. Yeah. He got here around 3 o'clock, drove straight. He's running on 2 hours of sleep.
Running. I don't know if I'd even call it running anymore. I think I'm an idle.
Waddling around in 2 hours of sleep.
Waddling around?
So yesterday we came out here and Mark was able to roost a turkey.
Thank God.
And he's been coming out here every day of the week, and he's got his birds figured out. Unfortunately, it was only one turkey that he was able to roost, so Zach and I are going to go after it. I believe him and Robbie have other plans. They're going to go to another area.
They had that one goblin yesterday morning, so I got high hopes for it.
Yeah, so last night around 5:45, this gobbler got up in the roost and started hammering. Probably gobbled about 20 times. I was 1,000 yards away from Mark and I was able to hear him. So hopefully we're the only one that has it roosted. Mark literally saw the tree that this guy's in, so going in with high hopes. Either way, we'll try to make something happen this morning, and hopefully we can bring you guys a pretty cool episode.
Walk across in there. We're on a pinch, so screw calling. This is deer hunting. Dude, where the frig are we gonna sit? That palm tree. God, it's not enough cover for both of us.
We don't have to be the same tree.
What if you sit? We can't even talk.
Text.
Yeah, but if you sit on that one, you literally can't do this with your head.
Yeah, no.
Because we're not going to see them coming. It's just going to be like, bonk. Like, here they are. How bad are them ants on you? They'll eat your hind end, won't they?
Oh, the ants will fuck us up.
Yeah, screw that.
But we can sit in a palmetto. There's some green. There's brown right
You
there.
just want to pile up in that crap right there.
We can do that.
Because then we'd have a little bit, be able to move our heads. Okay, that sounded far away. That wasn't. Because you could still hear that sound. It's like 150 yards. Alright, just pile up in that crap. What do you think, right here?
Yeah, I think that's gonna be the best bet.
So you sit back in it, and I'll sit again the tree.
Yeah.
Sound good to you?
Alright, so this is Zach. And Zach, he just kind of randomly hit me up and wanted to trade a hunt. And you guys know we love deer hunting, and he loves turkey hunting. So I've been scouting my ass off. Found him a bird, roosted it last night, and they got after it, but didn't quite work the way
it was one of those split decision deals. It was a lot of fun. He's just a smart old Tom. So, he drug his girlfriends away. He's got his mindset. That's what's nice. He's got his mindset on where he's going. So hopefully we can roost him again. We know where he wants to go.
So this evening we're going out there. We're gonna hopefully catch him coming back to the roost and just smoke him.
See that? That's how you do it. Miss, kill him at 70. Actually, you know what? You want to see the confidence today? Let's shoot this remortgage the house shell first. And we'll put the crackers in behind it. The old Walmart $9 shells.
Well, why don't you just put 3 of the TSS loads in, and that way you can like miss at 80
well, I got
twice.
I got that TS that's given to me. What do I look like? I get that kind of money. So we're gonna squawk at them real quick.
Do a little squawking.
Here, let me see that big fancy call pick I just give you. It's made out of high quality metal. My wife's bobby pins. You know they sell them at the store.
God, that thing's it got that stuck
it's been
after
through
being
the
like
war. All right.
I think got that stuck after like 5 minutes.
Well, yeah. Don't worry about that little bit of spit. I ain't got too much wrong with me. I'm gonna walk up here a little piece that way I can hear and you can hear better.
All right.
right there.
Hold this gun. Hold it there. Just sit still for a second.
Oh, I fucking see him.
No, don't look at him.
No, I'm looking through the bush. I can see him. There's a gobbler there, for sure.
Yeah, I told you I heard the gobble.
There's two birds, two gobblers. They are fucking right there. They're moving in this direction.
Get out. Get out. Just get out. Just get down on the ground. Don't worry about filming. Get out.
They can't see me. Trust me. Just trust me. Like I'm not gonna go where they can see me. But
Just get your gloves and face mask on. We'll get
I've got an eye on. I wonder if I can.
Hey.
Yeah.
Get down so I can figure out what we're gonna do. Just 1 second.
I think we need to get into these woods a little bit here, so we have a bit of cover, and then call to
We
them.
can kill them right here. Maybe. We might not have to do nothing.
If they come right to us.
Sit still for a second. Just stay right here for a second. Listen, I'm gonna go right here. I'll tell you when to come up by me.
I can't see anything. I don't know if you can see them. They are not standing where I last saw them. Do you see them? They were like walking. I think they're in here. Yo, psst. They are right there. Psst. They are fucking right there. Right fucking there. Yeah. I will. I can see them. They're about to give you a shot.
Hell yeah, bro! Hell yeah! Hell yeah, motherfucker! Fuck yeah!
The one Jack didn't have a beard.
Holy shit! I knew, dude. I was so worried they were gonna cut in right here because I saw them looking that way, and I was like, shit. If they come in there, they're just gonna see me. Bro, you just killed your fucking first Osceola.
Let's go, dude.
Let's go, dude.
Let's go, dude.
Holy shit! Were any of the other ones bearded?
The one Jake, the one I could have shot that was out here forever, like his beard was like that long. And then I seen the other one, I was like, God. And then I said, I'll let them go. They're gonna come around that stupid puddle, and they did.
Oh my God! Hell yeah!
Hey,
well, that is not how we expected the day to go.
Them crickets now quit. Them crickets, what we was hearing this morning, that's them. They was just taking turns gobbling. Oh, let's go, baby.
Hell yeah, dude.
Let's go, dude. Oh, dude, none of that shot hardly hit him.
I could hardly see him. Well, I couldn't see him when the gun went off, but I have video of them like walking around out here, and then they cut in. So like that.
Well, I knew when I let that hen get to right here, they was going to bust you. You know, where you got stuck.
I mean, I had shifted over to where I had that palm frond in the way, so like I would have been.
Oh, I thought you got stuck right there a little bit.
No, I like when I saw them.
I told you I heard a gobble.
I saw them through that little gap, and I saw him walking this way, and I was like, man, like, I was like, he left his shit sitting right here. Like, I need to move this stuff. So I picked up your freaking vest and I moved it over.
Oh heck, they wouldn't have made it to that vest regardless. That's why I dumped it off of me.
Yeah.
Anytime I slip up on
there's
them,
that black wing. That's what they're known for right there.
Man, that's pretty.
Let's see them hooks. Has he got hooks?
Little bitty ones.
Little bitty hookies.
Little baby hookies.
And little baby hookies.
Look there.
Little baby beard. But hey, man, Osceola's an Osceola, man.
You got that right.
Hell yeah, dude. You came a long ways to get that bird.
Hey, we might.
You still have another tag,
yeah,
so.
I still got a tag. We might fool around. I don't care, man. That right there was awesome.
This is a public land hunt.
Yeah.
I can't believe that thing gobbled in the afternoon the way it did. You said it. I was like, you're insane, dude.
So that's the first time you ever heard gobble?
I've literally never heard them gobble in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Hi, why didn't you call my phone?
I did.
Oh, it just sent this call, like literally just now.
Okay.
Didn't even ring.
Well,
It was in my pocket.
I just wanted to let you know that
Did you do it?
I'm coming home early.
You got
Osceola, check.
one! You got one!
Holy crap, this place is wild. Just
Good
seemed
job.
like
He's coming home, he said.
just seemed like a 10-foot alligator.
He saw a 10-foot alligator.
And then shot a turkey.
Within like 5 minutes.
Within
his hat by an
5
alligator.
minutes, had a pig come at me down the road.
Had a pig, wild pig come at him.
Megan's giving the play-by-play.
I know.
Of the family. But anyway,
Wow, babe. I'm so happy.
only thing I've got to say is this could be addicting. It's a whole nother world.
Yeah.
Florida is a whole new. I have a whole new.
different species of everything down there.
Yeah,
I mean,
but the Kentucky boys don't know how they got. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Like, it's tough out here.
I mean, it is tough in a lot of places. I'm sorry, Megan. We're shooting the crap now.
Yeah, like,
No,
I mean,
it's all right, babe.
Hey, but
Thanks for letting me know. I was worried about
you know I call you first.
I know. Well, I'm sorry I called. You weren't answering in my text, and I'm just.
Oh well, that's because we chased around.
Going crazy.
We chased around this one's daddy all morning. Well,
Yeah.
me and Danny did, and we didn't. We ended up not getting him. I'm gonna be honest. I thought he was a gobbler until like the last second, and then I said, "Screw it," and shot him. I'm tickled to death though. I could care less.
That's awesome, babe.
Yeah, and I about missed him, so I'm happy that I hit him.
How'd you
Well, he was like 15
nervous?
yards from you, dude.
What?
He was so damn close. He's like 15 yards.
Yeah, maybe.
Your pattern's like the size of a baseball there.
Miss him?
Megan, it was at 15 yards.
Well, Jace is having a big time playing with rocks and dump trucks.
Well, I love you. I'm gonna
I love you
FaceTime
too.
you just here shortly so I can talk to Jace, but
Okay.
looks like we're going back to the bluegrass state
All right. Well.
with some
Oh,
turkey
we will.
boobies.
Congrats.
All right, see you. Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
You know, the only regret I have is that like because you're leaving early, you don't get to explore this crazy place just a little bit more, you know. But
Yeah,
but I mean, honestly, dude,
Yeah.
you gotta come back another time.
Oh, 100,000%.
Yeah.
I mean, I 100% have to now.
Yeah.
This is like,
mean-
look how pretty these freaking turkeys are.
I mean, look at that fucking sheen on there, dude. Like there ain't no turkey like that has that green color in there, man. It's crazy. And they have that weird gold tinge to it. But just
He's so close to a full fan.
yeah. Man, honestly, I am freaking tickled to death about this because, you know, as much as like you pulled the trigger, like I put in work to find these birds.
That's the same thing, dude.
Yeah,
it's
it's
the same.
I mean,
thing.
seeing him die is like I'm just as freaking happy about it.
Are you getting that?
Hey, Megan.
Let me see it.
Well, the reason I was trying to make you look is we're on the white sand, like it's like at the beach.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, we're right beside the friggin' ocean.
White sand.
I'm in the
With the
sand
turkey.
right now.
That's insane.
Megan, he flopped in the sand. I shot him in white sand.
In fact, you haven't looked at yourself, but you got bits of sand all over your face from when he was flopping.
Yeah.
I'm
That's awesome, babe. You'll have to send me some pictures so I can see.
wild looking dudes. They don't look like no Kentucky bird, which I knew that, but like it don't really register until you like, you know, you get to see it in real life.
Right.
Dude, do it! Skip! Skip! Here, walk this way. It's dry over here.
What up, guys? This man just killed his first Osceola.
Let's go.
So,
Got it out. Got that one, chick.
yup.
God, that was fun.
So, anyway, thank you guys for watching. And if you guys got any questions, drop them down in the comments. And no, we will not tell you where we were. But if you guys want to support the channel just a little bit, go check out our Patreon page. You can get a bunch of really cool stuff that we do exclusively for our Patreons. You can also go check out our merch store, and there's a link down in the description. And with that, we'll catch you guys next week. Peace.